Hi, and welcome to Blue River Analytics Spotfire Training. Blue River Analytics has always been the leader in Spotfire training for the oil and gas industry, and today we want to share with you our new course lineup. We've taken our time-tested curriculum, pushed it to the newest version of Spotfire, added completely new content, and improved navigation for the on-demand videos to ensure our customers have the best user experience possible. Our Spotfire curriculum is divided into 3 approximately one-day-long courses. The first course, BR 101, provides foundational content for those getting started in Spotfire. BR 102, our second course, builds upon 101 and broadens the Spotfire foundation. BR 103 is our advanced course and dives deep into nuanced topics. Every course in the Blue River Analytics Spotfire series can be taken either on-premise with our in-person instructor-led training or online via our on-demand videos. Each on-demand video corresponds to an individual lesson in the course content. We have also indexed the videos so that you can easily navigate by subtopic or even treat the videos as an indexed reference series after you've completed the courses. Whether on-premise or on-demand, each course comes with a DXP, the Spotfire project file, that has all of the directions, exercises, and necessary data built in. Since this course series is focused on the oil and gas industry, we only use oil and gas data and realistic industry scenarios in the exercises. You can also find the summary pages for each course on the website here. Feel free to check those out or continue watching this video for a couple-minute summary of each course. BR 101's overarching theme is getting familiar with how to insert and manipulate visualizations. We cover fundamental visualization types, bar charts and histograms, line charts, combination charts, scatter plots, pies, KPIs, key performance indicators, and table basics, summary tables, and graphical tables. As we go through all of these, we focus on learning how to manipulate and customize our visualizations. For example, how to change what data are being displayed, the axes and scales, colors, labels, names, and so on. In addition to all things visualizations, we cover key foundational concepts like how to bring data into Spotfire using the data canvas, which is a new feature in Spotfire 10. We also learn about the different ways to mark and limit your data. We cover the filtering panel in detail, including custom filtering schemes and how you can personalize its layout. We wrap up 101 by learning about saving and sharing our work. We cover things like exporting visualizations straight to PowerPoint or PDF, and the difference between saving your DXP with embedded versus linked data. By the time 101 is complete, a student should have a great grasp on Spotfire fundamentals and feel comfortable exploring and analyzing their own data in Spotfire. BR 102 continues building the foundation started in 101. In 102, we cover every visualization type we didn't get to in 101, which includes heat maps, tree maps, waterfall charts, box plots, 3D scatter plots, parallel coordinate plots, and map charts. Our lesson in map charts is really good. We spent a lot of time learning how to obtain and arrange multiple map layers like shapefiles, TMS, and WMS layers. You'll learn where to find all of these layer types for free and how to configure each in your own map visualization. We also learn about applying the rotation function and how this can be used to orient horizontal wells in your map. In addition to visualizations, we cover a few more data management concepts in Spotfire, such as adding rows and columns in the data canvas and where and why you might perform pivot and unpivot transformations. We look at bookmarks, tags, and lists to see how these can be great tools for staying organized as you progress through your analysis. We also take our first look at calculated columns in this course, where we'll focus on useful expressions for the oil and gas industry, such as 6-month CUMs and normalized production date. But we'll also focus on general calculated column syntax so that the user can execute calculations in their own analyses. Finally, we take our first look at inserting custom controls in Spotfire and how to have calculations and visualizations automatically update based on user input. BR 103 is our advanced Spotfire course. In our curriculum, we cover the data relationship tools built into Spotfire, which include Spearman-R, ANOVA, chi-squared, line similarity, k-means clustering, and linear regression options. We then look at incorporating custom expressions on visualization axes, how to reference axes for calculations, and the anatomy of post-aggregation expressions. As we learn about axis references and custom expressions, we really focus on understanding how Spotfire is running these calculations under the hood. We continue adding to our BR 102 knowledge of document properties and action controls by learning how to have user controls for changing line colors, line display, time hierarchy, aggregation methods, and more. We also look at action controls to create table of contents for navigation in the project, as well as creating buttons for resetting filters and unmarking data. In this course, we also create 2 visualization types that do not come standard in Spotfire and are common in oil and gas: Gantt charts and Pareto plots. Next, we have a collection of lessons focused on styling our Spotfire project. We'll look at using HTML to change colors, add header bars, as well as how to structure text areas with HTML tables. Keeping with the visual styling, we'll look at canvas styling options and learn how to customize fonts, colors, backgrounds, tab colors, and more. And we'll also see how to import visual themes we like from other DXPs. We'll wrap up the visual styling section with a dashboard exercise. This exercise is a great culmination of the skills we've learned from BR 101, 102, and 103, as it involves canvas styling in HTML, requires property controls for user input, mapping, auto labels, and more. Finally, we'll have an introductory lesson on scripting in Spotfire. Even for users who aren't proficient coders, basic knowledge of incorporating scripts in Spotfire is beneficial, as there are many free, pre-made scripts from TIBCO and elsewhere online that users can leverage. In this lesson, we'll learn how to take a script from the internet and wire it up to our dataset. If you're especially interested in Tear or IronPython in Spotfire, stay tuned to BR course development, as more focused classes on scripting are on the way. From everyone at Blue River Analytics, thank you for checking out our Spotfire training. If you have any questions about our curriculum or would like to take a course, please reach out on the website, by email, or with a phone call.